Richtech Robotics has entered into a significant 2-year master services agreement with one of the largest retailers in the world. According to a statement released by the company based on a recent SEC filing, this agreement allows Richtech Robotics to undertake various projects for the client under additional statements of work or work orders to be issued by the retailer. The master services agreement is set to automatically renew for additional 12-month periods, unless either party provides written notice of non-renewal at least 60 days prior to the end of the term. While the agreement contains provisions covering intellectual property and confidentiality that are customary for such contracts, no further details on the scope of the projects or financial terms were disclosed in the filing. While we wait for these details to emerge, Rocket Lab announced a major expansion of its U.S. semiconductor manufacturing operations. This expansion is backed by a $23.9 million government award under the CHIPS and Science Act, aimed at strengthening the domestic supply chain for national security space programs and meeting the growing demand for advanced components in satellite and defense technology. Rocket Lab plans to double its production capacity of compound semiconductors and space-grade solar cells, providing U.S. spacecraft manufacturers and the wider aerospace industry with access to domestically produced, advanced semiconductor and electro-optical technologies. Rocket Lab's recent acquisition of Geost LLC, a leading provider of electro-optical and infrared sensing systems for critical space missions, has also strengthened its national security position. The deal, valued at $275 million, includes $125 million in cash and just over 3 million shares of Rocket Lab common stock, with an additional $50 million tied to future revenue targets. This acquisition enables Rocket Lab to offer optical systems as part of its mission-ready spacecraft solutions, supporting missile warning, tracking tactical intelligence, and Earth observation. These strides in national security come on the heels of Rocket Lab's 70th successful Electron mission, which solidifies the Electron rocket's status as the world's most frequently launched small orbital rocket. Electron launches have increased in frequency, with a record-setting prior quarter of 2 launches flown just 2 days apart from Launch Complex 1. Rocket Lab's CEO, Sir Peter Beck, highlighted the significance of reaching this milestone, stating that it is a testament to the responsiveness and operational maturity of Electron and the entire Rocket Lab team. At the same time, Voyager Technologies made noteworthy appointments to its leadership team, aimed at driving innovation and growth in the defense and space technology sectors. Effective August 25th, Paul Tilghman has been appointed as the company's Chief Technology Officer. Tilghman brings a wealth of experience in blending government, commercial, and dual-use innovation, having previously served as Chief Engineer of Connected Warfare at Anduril Industries. In his new role, he will spearhead Voyager's technology strategy and innovation roadmap, focusing on accelerating mission-critical solutions across ground, air, and space domains. According to Dylan Taylor, CEO of Voyager Technologies, Tilghman is a visionary who not only envisions the future, but also builds it. His expertise in translating concepts into deployed systems will be instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with cutting-edge AI, machine learning, and autonomy. Tilghman's extensive background includes establishing and leading DARPA's wireless AI research area and serving as business and technology leader for Microsoft's Azure Space Connectivity Organization. Voyager then appointed Shaimal Sam Patel as a strategic advisor and member of its Strategic Advisory Board. Patel's expertise in rapid program build-outs and large-scale manufacturing will support Voyager's growth in the aerospace and defense sectors. His experience at SpaceX, where he led end-to-end site development for Starbase, will be invaluable in helping Voyager scale its production capabilities. Closer to Earth, New Horizon Aircraft CFO Brian Merker recently reiterated the company's strong financial position, stating that with added resources from funding efforts, including significant commitments from government agencies for non-dilutive funding grants, the company has sufficient capital to complete its full-scale demonstrator aircraft over the next 18 months. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.